In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted memories on Snapchat. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to recover your deleted memories on Snapchat, then what you have to do is to open Snapchat application. Click on your profiles icon at the top left corner of your screens and then click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and tap on this second last option, My Data. Enter your Snapchat account's password, and after you have entered the password, tap on continue. Now scroll down, confirm your email address again, and then enable this option that says, do you want to include your memories as a downloadable file? Scroll down and click on the submit request option. Once you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted memories will be sent to your email address. And once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted memories on Snapchat will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.